Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to be discussing picture predictions. How to use illustrations to describe future events. To begin with, let's talk about what we're going to be doing in this video. I'm going to explain to you what a prediction is, how we can use pictures to help us make predictions. Then we're going to be looking at a picture together and we're going to be discussing the picture, how we can use it to help with our predictions. I am going to be giving you an example sentence on how I want your prediction to be written. And then we're going to be reviewing what we're going to be doing in class tomorrow so that everyone is well prepared. To begin with, what is a prediction? Readers use text, clues, and their own personal experiences to make a guess of what is going to happen next. I want you to please note that I highlighted the word clues in this definition because this is exactly what we are going to be using pictures for. We are going to be using clues in the images that we see to help us determine what we think will happen next. With that said, let's look at this picture and make a prediction. When we look at a picture, we are going to be asking ourselves, what do I see? What do I know about what I see? And based on your personal experiences, what do you think might happen next? For instance, if I'm looking at this picture, I see a boy wearing a baseball uniform holding a baseball bat. This is what I see. Now, based on what my personal experience is and what I know about baseball, I am going to assume he is trying to hit a baseball. Whether he hits it or not, I don't know. But based on my personal experiences and what I know about holding a bat and wearing a baseball uniform, I'm thinking he's trying to hit a baseball. Now, when we look at pictures, we don't just focus on the main object or subject. We also need to take a look at the environment around this subject or object. In this case, if we look at the environment around the boy, we can see that he is not at a baseball field. I know this because I can see homes behind him and a sidewalk behind him. And I can see that he's standing on grass, not a batter's box. And based on my personal experiences, I see that he is not using a home plate. He is using a folded up blanket. So based on all this, I can make a prediction that he is not at a baseball field. He is probably at a front yard or a backyard, or he could be at a park. We can make that assumption. So we're going to take all this information to make our prediction. And this is the prediction sentence I want you to use. We're going to write, I think the boy is, and then we're going to give a reason of why you think the boy is. Now, this is not correct. This is just an example. So I'm going to say, I think the boy is going to hit a piñata because he is holding a baseball bat. This is just an example. I don't want you to use that, but I just want you to hear what it might sound like when you write your prediction. Okay? You're going to write your prediction and you're going to bring it in tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to review our predictions. And I have the next picture that's going to show what happens next. So we will get to see if you're right or if you're wrong. And either way, I just want you guys to have fun with your predictions. We're going to next look at a book together and make predictions based on the book. And here is a hint. The book we're going to be looking at, some of the pictures I put in this video. And if you want a real hint, it's not about baseball. We're going to write our predictions and we're going to be reviewing them in class. So, take your time, review the video if you need to, write your sentences, ask yourself what you know based on your experiences, what do you see, and have fun with your predictions. I'll see everyone tomorrow.